The ATN X-Sight, the Night Owl or BESTSIGHT, perhaps the Sightmark or the Henbaker? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 night vision scopes available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best night vision scopes. The 5th product on this list is the BESTSIGHT DIY Digital Night Vision Scope. If you're a hunter, you understand the importance of a reliable night vision scope. And the BESTSIGHT is a game changer. Not only is it perfect for nighttime hunting, but it also delivers stunning color views during the day. This product surpasses even the most professional night vision devices. One of the best things about this scope is its user-friendly design. With the included detailed instructions, you can assemble it in minutes. No need to stress over complex setups. But that's not all. Prepare to be amazed by the high-quality night images you can capture with this scope. Even in complete darkness, you'll feast your eyes on a visual wonderland. Whether you're observing wildlife, conducting surveillance, or exploring caves, this scope is your ultimate companion. Moreover, this scope boasts a crystal-clear 5-inch display screen, ensuring you don't miss a single detail. The camera is also adjustable up to 360 degrees, allowing you to effortlessly explore your surroundings. And if you desire an extended night vision range, you can enhance it further with additional 5W IR illuminators. All in all, it is a fantastic option for any hunting enthusiast. Its pros are: it delivers outstanding high-clarity night vision performance. Its camera sleeve can be installed quickly, allowing you to complete the installation within 10 seconds. And it is easy to set up thanks to the detailed manual. However, its package does not include a battery, so you'll need to purchase a compatible battery separately. With its day and night versatility, easy assembly, and outstanding night vision performance, the BESTSIGHT DIY Digital Night Vision Scope is a top-notch choice for anyone seeking a reliable and impressive tool for their outdoor activities. Up next in 4th place is the Henbaker CY789 NV Digital Scope. Prepare yourself for an extraordinary night vision adventure with the Henbaker. This remarkable scope guarantees superior performance and packs a punch with its exceptional features. What sets this product apart is its inclusion of 2 scalable infrared illuminators, enabling clear vision even on the darkest nights, even when using a tripod. Need to extend your viewing range? Simply pull out the infrared lamp heads for an even greater reach. But wait, there's more. This versatile scope is designed for both day and night use, with its 3.1-inch LCD screen and multiple crosshairs. Targeting your objectives become effortless. Experience the ease of a 4x digital zoom and an impressive 8x optical zoom. Use it as a standalone scope or combine it with your existing one to elevate your viewing experience. Furthermore, this scope offers customizable magnification reaching an impressive 24x. Once you've found the perfect magnification, lock it in place for utmost convenience during your thrilling outdoor hunting expeditions. Its pros are: its 1080p resolution ensures clearer images. It doubles as a camera and a telescope, enabling you to capture incredible pictures and videos while exploring the world around you. And it comes with a bracket and a universal sleeve that can fit a range of sizes from 1.3 to 1.8 inches. However, it doesn't come with a trans flash card, so you'll have to purchase it separately. The Henbaker CY789 NV Digital Scope is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and wildlife observers who want to experience exceptional night vision capabilities and capture unforgettable moments in both day and night. Still haven't found a night vision scope that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Night Owl NightShot. If you're searching for a night vision scope that seamlessly blends quality and affordability, look no further than the Night Owl. Tailor-made for hunters and shooting enthusiasts, it effortlessly surpasses other scopes in its price range. With its built-in infrared illuminator, even the darkest nights transform into the illuminated wonderlands. And for those craving unparalleled nighttime vision capabilities, you'll be thrilled to know that this scope is compatible with the IR850NS high-power illuminator. Mounting it is a breeze, ensuring an enhanced experience with utmost ease. No matter the time, location, or activity, this scope stands ready to deliver exceptional performance. Its weatherproof design allows for effortless mounting on most rail systems, including Weaver, Picatinny, and dovetail options. Compatible with rifles, crossbows, airsoft guns, and more, it guarantees outstanding nighttime vision without compromising on daytime durability. But wait, there's more! Equipped with an array of impressive tools and features, this scope takes your shooting experience to the next level. sporting a 3x magnification lens and a focusing distance of 9 feet to infinity. It provides crystal clear and precise vision. With its built-in infrared, optimal visibility is assured, while the choice of 3 different white or black reticle types allows seamless adaptation to diverse shooting environments. If you need precision while hunting at night, this is the way to go. Its pros are: it's weatherproof so you can be on the hunt anytime, anywhere. It's easy to operate, making it suitable for a wide range of users, and it offers an eye relief of 2.7 inches and a field of view of 5.6 degrees. However, its battery life is relatively short compared to the other models on the list. The Night Owl NightShot is a budget-friendly alternative for a digital night vision scope that features reasonably good performance. It's the perfect choice for those who value quality, affordability, and versatility in a night vision scope. The second product on this list is the Sightmark Wraith 4K Mini. If you relish the thrill of hunting in low light and prefer the finesse of a crossbow over a rifle, then the Sightmark Wraith is a worthy investment. This compact powerhouse breathes life into your visuals, offering an unparalleled experience. Prepare to be astounded by its impressive 3840p 4K digital imaging, presenting crystal clear images and the ability to effortlessly record videos and audio directly on the device. What truly sets this product apart is its ability to bring you up close and personal with your target, thanks to its remarkable 8x digital zoom. Additionally, you have the freedom to choose from a whopping 14 reticle options in 9 vibrant colors. With 10 second focal point reticles and 4 first focal point reticles, precise targeting is right at your fingertips. Furthermore, this versatile scope seamlessly transitions between daytime color mode and night vision mode, effortlessly adapting to any lighting condition. Prepare for the power-packed adventures this remarkable night vision scope offers. It allows you to conveniently save up to 5 profiles, enabling swift switching between your preferred settings for different situations. So whether you're on a hunting expedition, observing wildlife, or embarking on an outdoor escapade, this scope is poised to deliver exceptional performance and capture your most cherished moments. Its pros are: it boasts an incredible 4K CMOS sensor, which can detect objects up to 300 yards in the darkest of nights. It has a built-in recorder that takes AVI videos with audio and 1080p and/or 4K resolution. And its solid aluminum construction is shockproof, IPX6 rated, and can withstand use with .308 caliber rounds. However, it can be a little fiddly to operate at first and require some getting used to when adjusting it. The Sightmark Wraith 4K Mini is an amazing companion for your hunting adventures. It's perfect for those seeking an immersive and high-quality shooting and recording experience. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best night vision scope is the ATN X-Sight 4K Pro. Prepare yourself for the ultimate hunting experience with the ATN X-Sight 4K Pro, a true game changer that stands unrivaled in the market today. Packed with cutting-edge technology, this scope is here to elevate your shooting prowess and redefine what's possible. Feast your eyes on the extraordinary Ultra HD 4K sensor and Obsidian 4 dual-core processor, which combine to deliver jaw-dropping resolution, faster optics, and a vibrant spectrum of colors. The result? An unparalleled visual experience that will leave you in awe. But that's just the beginning. With the ATN X-Sight, hitting the target becomes a breeze. Its built-in ballistic calculator takes into account crucial factors like range, wind, multiple weapon profiles, angle to target, temperature, humidity, and more. This ensures responsible hunting and enables you to make accurate shots with confidence. And there's more to love. This scope features a remarkable dual-stream video recording feature that allows you to effortlessly capture and share your hunting adventures. Not only can you stream high-definition video directly to your mobile device, but you can also simultaneously record the footage onto the SD card within the device itself. With this scope, you'll never miss a moment of excitement. But let's talk about the night. Brace yourself for the enhanced HD night vision mode that this night vision scope offers. Say goodbye to struggling with darkness and embrace improved visibility in low-light conditions. Keep the thrill of the hunt alive as you navigate the night with confidence, knowing that this scope has your back. Overall, the ATN X-Sight 4K Pro reigns supreme as the best night vision scope for hunting on the market today. Get ready to take your shooting experience to unprecedented heights and revel in the extraordinary features and performance that this scope has to offer. Its pros are: it boasts an ultra-low power profile, providing you with over 18 hours of continuous operation. It comes with standard rings for easy mounting. It can be used with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And it features an extremely powerful long-range IR illuminator with an adjustable mount. However, it only seems to recognize SanDisk branded SD cards, which is a little irritating. The ATN X-Sight 4K Pro is an ideal choice for shooting enthusiasts, night hunters, and outdoor adventurers who want to experience cutting-edge technology and advanced features in their optics. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.